Come on Amapiano lessons.co.za website. From here you can join and access other stuff. So we have song tutorials, we have a course as well, we have tools. Yeah, my favorite are tools, because we want to make sure that you have everything that you can find as a pianist, right, or as a producer. Basically, how we're building this is so that it can accommodate even people that are not piano players but they're musicians, basically. So this is for musicians, right? You have the glossary here. If you wanna check out, some of the terms that are used when you are with other musicians, or maybe you've heard this on, while watching TV or YouTube, or while you're having a conversation with someone, right? We try to bring as many terms as possible to make sure that we answer, all those terms, so that you are well equipped, with that, little bit of theory. It's very important, especially when you are out playing with other guys. They are using some of the key terms, that are used in music. It's very important to understand what that term, what that word means, and hence we did exactly that, right? One of the things 251 is used a lot, right? And then we kind of like also broke it down as well into genres, right? If you want to look at the terms that are used a lot in gospel, you can come and filter thereby, right? The ones that are used a lot in jazz, one that I used a lot in Amapiano. Amapiano here, I see the likes of, I'm not sure if some of the terms here, they are, I'm not well versed in that, this one, I'll need to check. But the idea is to bring these terms available to you without having to, to Google and navigating around all those, links. So it's easier when you can just find everything right here on Amapiano lessons.